Hello. In this video, we'll go over how to create a tiered pricing plan in Amberflo. So in a tiered pricing plan, there's a different rate applied to the resource depending on the quantity of that resource that's being consumed. So how it works is in Amberflo is usage is metered in real time, and then that tiered rate is automatically applied to update the invoice depending on which number of the resource is being consumed. So there's no management needed on your part. The system will automatically keep track and apply the tiered rate as it needs to. So we've created a simple example here. This just has one dimension, so it's just the quantity of the resource consumed. And you can see that as the quantity goes up, the tier size increases, but the per unit price decreases. So this is a pretty common example. So we'll go ahead and show what this looks like now in Amberflo. So we'll just go ahead and add to a new pricing plan. You can see we'll select the tiered pricing plan. Before we do, you can see there's also the tiered with dimensions option. So if you want to create a more granular pricing plan with tiers that depend on the different dimension values, you can go ahead and do that, so you can get a bit more complicated. In our case, we're just going to use the standard model. There are no dimensions, and you can see we'll just create our tiers. And then we'll just give the last, after 500, they'll be free. So we would just go ahead now and save this. And then repeat the process for any other product items we wanted to include.